city of Sevierville's Ridge Road project involves slope instability that threatens the use of a public roadway. The roadway has been stabilized from the lower end, but complete failure of the slope above the roadway is a concern. Hello, my name is Zane Jessee, and I'm responsible for the design of the gravity wall option. The most challenging aspect of this design was getting the vertical bearing capacity to an acceptable factor of safety with the wall height of 15 feet. One thing that I personally got out of working with my group is an increased knowledge in using CAD programs. The senior design overall experience was a very helpful experience, and it helped me with my writing and working together with a team.
Hello, my name is DuPree, and I was responsible for the cost estimation and site layout services of our project. The most challenging aspect I experienced was having to wait for my team members to complete some of their work for me to be able to start and complete mine. And one thing I took away from senior design was being able to work effectively as a team is essential, and that is one thing I recommend to future teams is getting to know each other so you can work well together throughout the whole year.
Hello, my name is Tyler Resnick. I was in charge of the transportation services on this project. The most challenging aspect of this project was designing for the existing roadways poor connectivity. There was a lot of dead ends. This proved difficult as we shut 2 lanes down on a 2-lane road, Ridge Road, had to completely reroute traffic. This did prove beneficial to our client, however, as it allowed them to store construction equipment and materials on the roadway without having to allow through traffic, which did cut down on delays as well. One beneficial thing that I've taken from my senior design experience is the development of interpersonal skills in a professional setting, as I have interacted with mentors and my client throughout the project.
Hello, my name is Kashif, and I was responsible for the design of the mechanically stabilized earth wall option for the project. My design consisted of all 28-inch Redi-Rock blocks with embedded geogrid layers to tie the wall back to the slope above. The most challenging aspect of the MSC design was the limitation of the presumed vertical bearing pressure of 2,000 pounds per square foot for soil class 4 conditions. The presumed values were used due to our inability to survey the site due to site access issues. Overall, the senior design experience challenged my internal dialogue about my own perceived limitations and pushed me to use my time more effectively. I found it extremely valuable.
I'm Christopher Hill. I'm the drainage lead for the project. One of the most positive outcomes that I've received personally was getting to see different disciplines within civil engineering collaborate and work together on one project. And one of the most positive outcomes for the client, which is the public in our case, is the increased safety for the neighborhood located below the slope, because reducing chances of a slide helps prevent damage to property and homes that are there.